Want to generate passwords that meet any website's requirements every time without the guesswork or frustration? You're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it efficiently using software I've tried and tested. Stick around, and by the end, you'll know the best way to create strong, secure passwords that are tailored to fit any platform's password rules. First, let's start with the basics. Different websites have different requirements. Some might ask for a minimum of 8 characters, others for at least one uppercase letter, a special character, or even a number. Instead of manually trying to meet these requirements every time, we're going to use software that automates it. Here's what you need to do. Open the software we'll be using. This tool is straightforward and powerful, and it's designed to handle all types of password requirements. Once inside, you'll see options to customize your password generation. You'll be able to select the length, choose specific characters, and even decide if you want to include symbols or punctuation marks. That means you can instantly generate a password that fits any website's criteria. Let's take a quick look at how it works. When you enter a password length, the software automatically adapts to the website's minimum and maximum limits. It then suggests a combination of numbers, uppercase and lowercase letters, and special characters that match the complexity rules, ensuring your password is not only safe but also compatible with the platform's requirements. And the best part, you don't have to worry about remembering these passwords. The software generates them for you and can even store them securely. So you just copy and paste into the website you're signing up for. Now, here's a pro tip. If you're trying to create a password for a site with stricter security requirements, like including at least one number or symbol, make sure you check all the advanced settings in the software. This gives you more control and ensures you're covering every base, especially when the platform has a complex mix of character needs. I've tested a bunch of different software for this, but the one we're using today stands out for its simplicity and reliability. Plus, if you want to follow along, I've got a special offer for you. I've secured an exclusive free trial to this software, only available to viewers of my channel. You can grab that in the description below. Now, let's recap. To generate passwords that meet any website's requirements, use software that lets you customize the password length, character types, and complexity. This way, you save time and never have to second guess whether your password is good enough for a website's rules. You can even store those passwords safely, so you don't have to remember every single one. And before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description. It's a great way to make sure you always generate the best passwords for every website you visit. Key takeaway: the best way to generate passwords that meet any website's requirements is by using a simple, customizable password generator software that handles the complexity for you. Always ensure you're following the specific rules of each platform, and remember, using a password manager helps keep everything secure and accessible. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out that free trial.